Hi, Tom. Good morning.
Good morning, Anna. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm. I like this weather.
Me too. The sun makes me happy.
Yesterday was so cold.
Yes, it was raining all day.
I stayed at home. I didn't go out.
Same here. I watched a movie at home.
Do you like rainy days?
Not really. I prefer sunny days.
Me too. When it rains, I feel sleepy.
Really? I feel the same.
Look at the sky today. It's so blue.
Yes, there are no clouds. It's perfect.
Do you think it will stay sunny?
I think so. The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny all week.
That's great. I want to go to the park tomorrow.
Good idea. I'm going to visit my cousin tomorrow.
Oh, nice. Are you going in the morning?
Yes, in the morning. In the afternoon, I want to play football.
Cool. I hope the weather stays good.
Me too. I don't like playing football in the rain.
What about winter? Do you like cold weather?
A little. I like wearing warm clothes.
I like hot chocolate in winter.
Oh, me too. Hot chocolate is the best on cold days.
But sometimes winter is too long.
Yes, I miss the sun in winter.
Same here. I like spring the most.
Why spring?
Because it's warm, but not too hot. The flowers are beautiful.
That's true. Spring is nice.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer. I can go to the beach and swim.
Oh, that's nice. I like the beach too.
Do you swim often in summer?
Yes, almost every weekend.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Hey, it's getting a little windy now.
Yes, I feel the wind, but it's still warm.
Do you have a jacket?
No, but I think it's okay.
We should go to class now.
Yes, let's go before we're late.
Okay, see you inside.
See you, Anna.